In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Lovable app private. We're going to walk through the exact path inside Lovable, so your app is visible only to you and workspace owners. This is great when you're experimenting, protecting early prototypes, or just not ready to share your work yet. Start by opening your browser and searching for Lovable Dev. In the results, click the official Lovable site. If you see multiple links, choose the one that clearly leads to Lovable's developer platform. Avoid ads or lookalikes, and make sure the address looks correct before you proceed. Once you're on the Lovable site, click Sign In. Use your usual sign-in method and continue to the main dashboard. From the Lovable home screen, look for the Projects area. This is where your apps live. Depending on your view, you'll either see a list of your recent projects or a grid of all applications tied to your workspace. Either layout is fine, we're heading to the same place. Find the project you want to make private. On its project card, look for the three dots in the corner, often called the More or Overflow menu, and click them. From that menu, choose Open in New tab. Opening in a new tab keeps your dashboard handy and makes it easy to switch back if you manage multiple projects. In the New tab, click the project name at the top left. This brings you into the project's main area where the key controls and settings live. Next, click Settings. You'll typically see it in the sidebar or along the top navigation for the project. Settings is where access and visibility are controlled. Inside Settings, click Project Visibility. This section governs who can view the project and any linked resources. Here, choose Restricted. Restricted means only you and workspace owners can see the project. It's perfect for private experiments, internal reviews, or anything you're not ready to publish more broadly. Do note that this option may require a business plan or hire. If you don't see Restricted as an available choice, your current plan may not include it, and you might need to check with your workspace admin or review your plan details. That's it. By navigating through projects, opening your app in a new tab, heading to Settings, and selecting Restricted under Project Visibility, you've locked down your Lovable app so only you and workspace owners can access it. This simple adjustment helps you iterate safely, share selectively, and control exactly when your work is ready for a wider audience.